Hey guys, and welcome back to the trading project. In this video, I'm gonna give you guys a recap of how the trades that I took in my prior video sort of played out, and I will look at taking another trade in this video. As you can see, one of our positions we actually closed and we still have two that are live. So I'm gonna get into this right now. So the first trade that we actually got stopped out of was this Euro NZD, and this one was actually quite unfortunate. If I click on this over here to bring up the chart, you can clearly see that this is where we sold and entered our short position, and we had quite a strict stop loss on this one. So I did think that we weren't going to break above this sort of resistance level up here, and I did set a strict stop loss just above here, and my take profit level was down around over here. So unfortunately on this one, it looked like our stop loss was actually a bit too tight, as we did break out and break above this resistance zone, but then we did see a very nice reversal that actually went below where our take profit level was set. So unfortunately, we did just lock in the $250 loss here. And yeah, I mean, we had the right idea, which is good to see. The market did start trending down, but like I said, maybe our stop loss was set a little bit too tight on this one. I did want it to be quite strict, because if we did break this resistance, it may have been quite clear that we would have seen new highs. So again, you can see over here, this is the trade just here. We lost 250 on it, and yeah, quite unfortunate that the trade did end up going in our favor, but we got stopped out before we got to see any of that profit. Now, the remaining two trades that I have, we're still holding this CAD JPY, which you can see over here. We have a one lot short position just up here. So you can see this actually went down quite nicely for us down to here, and I did actually see it at the time. But again, our take profit levels down here, where these support levels are. So I didn't actually close out of that position, and I was holding it. And yeah, it's sort of bounced back up now, so we're only up 160, but it doesn't really look like we've sort of broken out and retested this resistance level. It looks like the market's sort of turning now and starting to trend back down. So I will continue to watch this one, and I do think that if we sort of retest this level around here, I would actually be happy to take profit on this trade. So I think I will go ahead and modify our take profit level just a little bit higher around here at 106.6. Protect, yep. So if we do retest that level again, like I said, I think we should be happy to get out of that trade. But yeah, this one's still live, so I will continue watching this one. And the next one is this AUD USD position. So we entered the short position around over here, and there have been a few times where we've sort of broken below. I'll just zoom out so you can see where our take profit level is. So we entered the trade here. We've sort of broke below, I guess, 3 or 4 times, but nothing really too significant. Our take profit level is set down here, and right now we've sort of had a little bounce. The one thing that does concern me about this trade is we did sort of get a nice little break up here, so very close to our stop loss level, although it did reject. So this one we're actually down 300 on right now with just the fees and everything. We've been holding it for quite a while, and yeah, I mean, I'm still gonna hold this one. I think this is probably exactly where I want to keep my stop loss. If we retest this level and break through, we might actually see a trend reversal, but I do want to continue holding this just because we can see the clear market downtrend at the moment. So if we do sort of break below these sort of support levels that got formed over here, then we could see this run to the downside. So like I said, this one can go really either way, and it is quite early to tell. But yeah, the fees are sort of racking up on this one with the swaps and commissions and everything like that. So I will have to keep a closer eye on this one and sort of see if it doesn't really look like it's going to go in our favor. It might just be best to cut this one loose. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead now and look at the chart and just take one more trade for you guys, so you can see how I sort of think about it. And like I said, I want to have 3 trades active at one time, just so we have a few things to look at, and then it's very easy to actually track what trades we're taking. So I'm looking at the Euro AUD here, and this is on the daily chart, and you can kind of see that we've sort of formed a nice uptrend here. So the market structure is very clearly trending up. If we move to the hourly chart, you can see that we have made higher highs consistently. I don't know how to get rid of this. There we go. We've made higher highs, and we've sort of formed a support level around here. So I can draw this trend line. And again, although we have sort of retested this support level, we haven't actually broken below. So what I think is going to happen here is we're going to retest the support, and it looks like we're going to get a nice bounce, potentially up to new highs, or at least up until that resistance level. So I actually want to open up a long position here. And again, I'm going to have a relatively strict stop loss just below the support level. So I'm going to go open up a one lot buy position, and I'll set my stop loss here at 1.672, so that's around here. And my take profit level, I'm going to set high up near this sort of resistance zone, I guess where the target is on this IC market C trader. So that's around the 1.695 level, so 1.695. So that's almost a 2-to-1, just under a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So I'm gonna place that order here. Cool, so you can see we've got a one lot long position. This is the support level we're watching, and I've got my stop loss level just down here. So if we do break below, we might start seeing the market structure reverse and lower lows and things like that. So I'd want to get out of that pretty quickly. And if not, then we have our take profit level up here. If we do see the bounce off of the support, which it looks like it has sort of bounced 3 times, so buyers are sort of coming in control again. And then we're hoping to run this one up to 1.695, which is close to the IC market's target, and also this sort of resistance level here. So yeah, these are the 3 trades that we have open at the moment. And yeah, I'll monitor these and keep you guys updated. I also made a video previously on trading psychology and how to manage emotions. That one should have been uploaded, I guess, 1 or 2 days before this one. So make sure you guys go check that one out. And again, if you enjoy this content, it would mean the world if you guys could like and subscribe and just support me on my journey of learning how to become a profitable trader. So yeah, see you guys all in the next one. Thanks.